Mr. Nagendra, I have shared the link of the challenge. It is this. Let me share the decoding data science link. It is there on the poster as well. No code apps. Yes. So Jafar is telling Replit. Anything else? There is Lovable. There is Replit. There is Cursor is not a tool. Cursor is just an IDE to build tools. So Cursor is not a low code, no code tool. Cursor may give you a idea about how to build the tool, but Cursor is not a no code, low code tool. So see, just Google this low code, no code tools to build applications. You will find a lot that is available. I don't want to name because you guys are open to use any. I am not restricting anyone to use any specific tool. So you can use anything. I have in the challenge, in the second day of the challenge, you will be there will be few. Yes, there will be a few options for you, but you are open to use anything. So I hope everyone is okay with that. I am not, because this is not a challenge that I want you to tell use this X app, Y app. There are 61 people. Everyone is going to use the app that he's comfortable with. If you are a complete beginner, then I may suggest you some apps to start with. And that is there in the day one. But I want you to do the research and come and take it further. Right? Now, coming to the next question is regarding the age. There is a restriction. See, everyone is allowed to join this particular challenge. But the one thing that what we are doing is for the top 10 finalists that we are going to consider, we have an age limit because the organizers have this. So if you want to participate for learning, you're free to do that. But 18 plus is the age that we will be considering for the top 10 finalists. So don't worry about the learning part. Everyone can join, and it is free. As I told you, for a limited time, we want more and more people to join. But this age restriction is there just for the considering for the top 10, and I'm telling it before so that there is no last minute stress and questions that are there. So these are something that are there. Now one question is coming: is it really important to spend so much time on statistics? So I hope all of you understand today with a very, very simple example that with a simple data that I showed you about exam scores, study hours, and attendance. If you did not understand correlation, if you do not understand heat map, so you will not be able to answer this. So in the last 3 days that I have done, and today also, if or some of you who are part of our LinkedIn, I have shared one LinkedIn post telling the importance of statistics uh, and statistical thinking. You know why this is important? Because in the last 2 years, everyone wants to learn about agentic AI, MCP, and all these things. And the sad part is when I ask them this question about what is the difference between correlation and causation, they are not able to answer. So, can you guys tell me, will that guy be successful in his job, in his career, right? Never, right? He's never going to be successful. So this is one post that I have put today about some very foundational topics that we have discussed in the last 4 sessions. Which, if you don't know these things, then you will not be able to do an EDA. So if you don't know these concepts, I have put this on the LinkedIn. Go through this LinkedIn post. This is a part of our AI Residency DDS Academy. All the recordings are there. All these the Google Colab notebook, everything is there. So if you don't know these things properly, like correlation, causation, sample limit theorem that we have discussed, the sampling theorem, central limit theorem we have discussed when we made that graph of 78 average. Then we did all those basic concepts. So these things are very, very important. So let me just put your questions. I'm getting a lot of questions on the chat. Like someone is asking about, can you please request everyone to put the question on Slido? I will take all the questions from Slido. It is very tough to take questions from the chat. So I have put the link on the Slido. But now, yes. So someone is asking how to get what was done. Yeah, so that is a part of our AI residency. We had Nagendra, if you want to go, this is the fourth class that we are doing as a series of statistical analysis. So everything is available in our AI residency. So for how, okay, someone is asking me what is an AI residency? Can you guys put one in the chat if you don't, if you know about AI residency, and zero if you don't know about AI residency? Just can you just put one or zero in the chat so I can know and tell people what is this program. And the class that you're attending today is a part of our AI residency, very short part. I think half an hour part of our AI residency today that I did, which is so just put in the chat how many of you know about AI residency. So a lot of people don't know about AI residency. Do I have your permission of 5 minutes to talk about AI residency? Do I have a permission of 5 minutes to talk about AI residency? Because a lot of people on LinkedIn don't know about this as well. So this is our main program, right? If you know you are part of this community, many of you are part of this community. The main program that we do in this community, some calls are free, like the calls that you are part of, the challenges are free. We do a lot of free things in the community, but the our main work in this community, the DDS Academy, is where we have serious people who are building their careers. It can be in their jobs, for their getting into the industry, getting promotions, getting whatever. If the people who are serious, they become part of this program. It's a 6 months program because, as all of you know, AI and data science is not small, it is big. So the new cohort has just started. We are doing the essential prerequisite classes like the one that you are part of right now. So, and we are doing more details. So today is the fourth one. Some of it I have given free access. Some of them were part of the paid program, but you guys get an idea what is happening. We go through all these steps in details because all of us are getting too much confused because of so many things that are happening in the industry. And a lot of people ask me for jobs, references, and everything. I only refer to people who have completed this program or who I know have done a very good job, especially in the challenge as well. Most of our challenge winners have got good opportunities in internships. They have got AI residency scholarships. They have built their performance. So please take these things seriously. Go through this website. I have talked a lot about this because AI is not something that you will learn in a day or a week. It is a huge 20-week step process. After you understand the prerequisites, then you go on taking these toolkits, as I told you, the detective toolkits, taking it together and putting it one by one and building it together. So this is something, this is the eighth cohort that we are just started. And the main classes are going to start from 22nd November. Right now, we are just doing the essential prerequisites, getting them ready, getting them to understand Python, getting them to understand statistics, putting things together. And this is what we are going to do. End of the day, they are going to build projects, real scale projects, enterprise level projects, understanding how everything works, how everything is put together, including security evaluations and agentic AI. And also, a lot of things are there. There is self-paced as well. More than 100 people have already gone through this. Not only me, there are more than 10 plus mentors. You can go through this website, you can go through the testimonials, you can go through all the tools that we have created, all the FAQs that are there. Everything will be here, and we have some videos. And the best thing about this is you can see the live testimonials of all our participants. If you get access to this, so as I was telling you, basic statistics for ML is here, basic Python for AI, chief AI course, AI builder vault, AI builders, AI Python. So there are more than 12 courses that are there that we are giving them access to. So you will be getting access to around $11,538 value of products along with the AI residency. So this is everything together. A lot of people in our community are buying things separately. Like someone wants to learn about statistics, they'll buy it separately. But in AI residency, we are putting everything together. So I hope, Mr. Nagendra, this is you. I hope I got your answer and you understand where is AI residency right now. So now coming to the next part that is there is about the challenge is day one. uh, Please complete your day zero. Everyone, if you do this challenge properly, you will get not only get visibility, You will also get lot of opportunity to get the scholarship of our CIO program, AI Executive, and you will understand how things are working. So please take this challenge seriously. If you are not a part of the challenge, it's a very, very good experience to put things together. So now let us, if there are no more questions, if in Slido there are few other questions regarding the uh, AI residency starting. As I told you, it is starting on already started the essential prerequisites, but everything that we do is recorded. So everything that we do, there is a LMS platform. So let me just quickly show you where is it. Just someone is asking so this is the LMS platform. When you sign into the LMS, if you can see this, everything is under our LMS platform. So we have spent a lot of effort and time in putting everything together. So if you sign in, so you have the AI residency, all the programs that you are getting enrolled, you will have access to this, and you can open this one. You will see all the recordings of all the modules, everything here, all the exercises, all the Google Colab notebooks, everything is here. So this is for, so as I told you, there are 12 programs, the short courses that you get access to, and the main one is the AI residency cohort where I put everything together. So this is your main skeleton, and then you have side small courses that help you to take it further. So this is where you will get the recording. So now, cool. Now we will move to the next part. Let me quickly show you. We have last 10 minutes. If put your question in the Slido link. If you have any more questions, and then I will try to answer. The team will answer it as we go. So let me quickly share my screen and let us go to the coding part. I will be sharing this Collab notebook to everyone who have registered in our platform for this call. So today's simple example that I have shown, this is the notebook. So this is a very, very simple data set that we have. We have the, as I told you, we have the age, the study hours, the attendance rate, and the final exam score. Can everyone see my notebook? The EDA for exam case, the one that I promised everyone today I will show. Yeah, so this is a very simple variable. So the first thing that we do is, as I told you, we do data dot. What was the first thing that we do? Can anyone put in the chat for looking at the type of data, the summary of the data? What is the first detective step that we need to do? Amazing, amazing. So this is the first thing that you will do. So this is what. So you have 100. So there is nothing null. These are the things that are there. These are the four variables. Then what is the second step, everyone? To go deeper. So now we know there are four columns. What is the second step? So we know it is a integer, all are numbers. Amazing. Thank you, Jafar, for confirming. It is described. It is not df, it is data. We have not defined df here. We have defined data. Okay, so this is our thing. So can anyone tell me what is the mean final exam score here on this data set? What is the mean average final exam score for this data set of 100 people? Amazing. Thank you, Jafar. It is around 76. If I round it off, it is around 76. So this is what we are getting. But this does not tell us much information about what is happening. It does not tell us any story. It just tells us that this is the data point and then this is our things. Now what we do is first we check. So the first step that we checked is after this. After this, what is the step that we check? Anyone, can you tell in the chat? Yes, the next step is missing value treatment. So just to make sure that there is no missing value. So there is also an option of if we check that info, there is no missing value. Then what we do is we do a very simple univariate analysis. So we are doing the first step is the after this the describe the missing value treatment. Then we go and do the univariate analysis. The univariate analysis is checking the final exam score, how is it distribution. So this is a simple code where we are just doing the If you see, we are just doing a historical plot of the exam score. KD is equal to true, bin is equal to 15, and we are putting a color. And then we are just putting a title, and we are just putting, the basic labels, and we are just drawing this thing, the sheet. So if you can see, this is what this thing is looking. So there are some outliers that are there, but average is approximately, as Tanya is telling, 75.98 is the mean. So this, with few lines of code, I got the distribution and I got the univariate analysis, which looks, this is actually real data, and we are getting something here. And now we go deeper into this. Once we did the univariate analysis of the exam, then what is the next step after the univariate analysis? Anyone in the chat? Yes, after thanks for confirming. If you remember, I will just show you this slide so all of you remember these steps. So this is the step that we are doing, everyone. So first step is we did initial inspections, little data cleaning. Then we did the descriptive statistics. Now we are doing visualization. Inside visualization, we are doing univariate and bivariate. And then we are doing the summarization of the findings. So I hope we are just following the same thing that we discussed on the slide. Thank you for confirming. Amazing, amazing. Now what we do is we do the bivariate analysis. So the bivariate analysis that we do is between the study hours and the final score. So first, because we don't know about the attendance rate much now. So first we'll do a bivariate analysis, and we see that there is something, but there is no specific correlation. It is all scattered. There is some movement, but not good. Then what we do is we do a heat map. We do a heat map between everything. So we do a heat map, the one that we saw, we do a heat map and we see that the study rate and there is a high correlation that is there. So what we do is then we check that this thing that is coming and then we get it. So we get around zero point 0.8, we get the attendance rate correlation, which is high, and that is the reason why when we go here, this part, we get this specific thing and we finalize that the attendance rate is highly correlated with the exam score more than the study hours. And that is the reason why we conclude that from all the facts that the exam scores, people more, who just show up in the class are more uh, willing to get higher score. It's not only the specific study hours, it is more about the attendance rate. So these are something that we have got. So this is the whole code that we showed. This is the whole thing. There is what I'm going to do right now is there is 3 minutes. I am going to take the final questions that are there regarding the challenge. Just put 1 if you guys have joined the challenge, 0 if you have not joined the challenge. So I will give you the last chance for joining the challenge. As I told you, please join the challenge. It is a limited time. It is going to be free. Maybe tomorrow, once the limit goes up, they are going to put a price tag of $21. So I want everyone who attended live to please join the challenge, do the day zero. There are some senior people in the challenge who are going to support you, and it's a very, very good learning experience. So I'm going to the Slido, and I will take three more questions before we wind up for the day. Someone is asking me, give me the roadmap. Give me the roadmap to study. So go to the AI residency website, right? If you That is a very good roadmap for you to go through it. And one more thing, how many of you here are aware about? Someone is asking me about AI Guild. How many of you just put 1 if you know about AI Guild? Just put 1 if you know about AI Guild. AI Guild. Just put 1 if you know, 0 if you don't know. So I can just maybe share you this quickly about this AI Guild and tell what is the goal about creating this. I don't talk about this much in the community. So a lot of people are saying they don't know about AI Guild. So AI Guild is like it's an yeah. Thank you for confirming. So yes, AI Guild is a premium community wherein we have lot of recordings, lot of workshops. We have a small group of 100 serious people who are learning. There are weekly workshops. Like some workshops are complimentary for everyone, but for AI Guild we do exclusive workshops and they get recording to all our workshops that are there that we do. So and we have around more than 100 plus recordings for them. So for people who don't know what is an AI guild, so please, if you are taking time to join the AI residency, you can think about looking at this. So in this, if you see, we have all the simple courses like Gate, uh, Master Lang Chain, Agentic AI, resume templates. We have a lot of ebooks. We have approximately 40 plus recordings of courses that are there. The best thing about this is, other than this, the outcome based workshops. So we have approximately 35 plus 58, so approximately 100 plus workshop recordings of our with the notebooks in this platform. And every week we try to do something new. And also for our exclusive events in the community, we give them access. Like for in Jitex in Dubai, people who are part of the AI Guild, they got exclusive access to the Jitex for free. Similarly, for Function One, this event that is happening, they will be, if they register here, and they will be getting an access that is only worth 150 plus dollars. So there are a lot of benefits for AI Guild, not only the workshops, but also the content and the recording. So, and this is a good starting point. For a small fee of less than a coffee a month, you'll be able to get that. So thank you everyone for all your time. I hope you enjoyed the session. See you in the next community meetup and have a great evening. And please join the challenge and see you in the other side. Bye bye. Have a great day, everyone. So let me